First question, which of the following is a correct sequence of decreasing order of number of species? So the number of species goes like first Pisces, then aves, then it goes like reptiles, then mammals, and then the amphibians. So looking towards the option, if we have the same series which goes like Pisces, so Pisces we have in option B and C. Then after we have aves, so it's there only in option B, then reptiles, then mammals, and then amphibians. So the correct sequence of decreasing order of number of species is option B. Looking towards the next question, identify the name of the following figure from the given options. Now looking at this diagram, we can clearly understand that this A is a cycon, this B is Euspongia, and the C is Spongilla. So now looking towards the option, we have A as cycon only in option D, then Euspongia and Spongilla. So correct answer is option D. Looking towards the next question, in which of the following organism self-fertilization is seen, whether it is fish, roundworm, earthworm, or liver fluke? Now self-fertilization is fusion of male and female gametes, that is the sex cells, produced by the same individual. Self-fertilization occurs in bisexual organisms, including most flowering plants, numerous protozoans, and many invertebrates. Flukes, that is a liver fluke, are hermaphrodite, meaning each worm has both ovaries and testes. Probably cross-fertilization is the rule, but self-fertilization is certainly a possibility. In any case, it means that every individual is capable of producing fertilized egg. Certainly an advantage in species in which a high reproductive output is required. So correct answer among this is option D, that is the liver fluke. Looking towards the next question, male ascaris is differentiable from female ascaris in whether the presence of post-anal papillae, presence of pre-anal papillae, presence of pineal setae, or all the above. So now the male ascaris is differentiable from the female ascaris. Tail end of male ascaris is characterized by the presence of numerous genital papillae on ventral surface. So tail is an important part. There are 50 pairs of preanal papillae in front of cloaca and 5 pairs of postanal papillae behind it. Sometimes two chitinous spiculate processes of equal size are seen protruding out of the cloacal aperture. These are called pineal setae and spicules, which serve to transfer sperms into female vagina during copulation. So the correct answer is, because the pair of papillae is present at postanal, preanal, pineal setae, and this. So that is all of the above. Genital pores are present, all of this. So the correct answer is all the above. That's option D. Looking towards the last question now. Name the animal list with names under column 1 with animals listed with regular zoological name given under column 2. Choose the answer which gives the correct combination of alphabets of the two column. So first it's a starfish. This are the option A, B, there's a little typing mistake, C, and this is D. Okay, so starfish, it pairs with astropecten. Then jellyfish, it pairs with Aurelia. C, devilfish, it pairs with octopus. And D, cuttlefish, it pairs with sepia. So now looking towards the option, if we have this correct match, so A pairs with Q, so it's there in option 2, two options, that is C and D. Then B with R, so it's there only in option C. Then we have C is equals to S and D equals to P. So the correct answer for this question is option C.